Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belkis Barrios, your online personal trainer. So on this channel, I like to share fitness educational content that can give you very useful tips that you can apply into your daily life that will help you achieve your fitness goals. Those goals can be fat loss, weight loss, it can be increasing muscle mass, or how you can build a healthy lifestyle without any restriction, without any diet, or without any punishment. I am more about to coach my clients to have this sustainable approach. If this kind of content you like and you enjoy watching, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get into today's topic. On this video, I decided to bring for you 4 tips or 4 steps that will help you design your own workout program if you're looking to reduce your body fat percentage. So before diving into the steps, one thing you need to take into consideration that nutrition plays a huge role when it comes for you to reduce your body fat percentage. If you don't have a balanced nutrition, you will not going to achieve your goal. It doesn't matter how many times you're going to be spending in the gym doing some workouts or following people doing workouts. If you don't put emphasis in your way of eating, will be quite hard and sometimes can be impossible to make any changes to your body because you are neglecting the base of everything, that is nutrition. What do you put into your mouth? Nice. So be aware of that. Now let's jump into it, how you can design your workout plan. The first thing that you need to understand, and before starting to work out and before starting to do anything, sit down with yourself and trying to set up a goal. By a goal, I mean trying to really understand what is the outcome. And once you know what you want, then you're going to create milestones that will help you achieve that goal. It's important that your goals are very realistic according to your lifestyle, your environment, your economic, and as well your power of will. If you are setting yourself so high expectations, it's a big chance that you're going to increase the chances to drop off and forget about everything. Try that your goals are realistic. And fat loss, I have mentioned, and I will always going to mention, is not something that will happen overnight. It can take 3 months to see real results that will stay with you and that you're going to maintain that fat, that weight or fat out. And trying to be as honest with you and see how much you can do. If you only can work out 3 times per week, that will be great. If you can work 5 times per week, that will be great. If you can work work out 2 times per week, that also will be great. With the combination of physical activity, being active, and the combination of your nutrition, you can pile it together and really create a result to achieve your fat loss goal. So sit down with yourself and try your best to be realistic. The second step will be the selection of your exercising. Yes, I think we already know, or I think this is a common myth that we have in the fitness industry, that think that only doing cardio will be the solution for able to lose weight or body fat, and that's not true. Actually, we need a combination of cardio and also we need a combination of resistance training. Any type of resistance training, CrossFit, HIIT, or just lifting weight, static lifting weights. That can be any kind of resistance training with the combination of cardio. If you're only focusing on cardio, you're likely to burn more calories in the moment that you are doing the exercise. But you'll be burning more calories when you're trying to build your muscle tissue using resistance training, because after you have workout, your muscle is still burning calories after that. So in the long term, building muscle tissue can really help you a lot to reduce your body fat percentage and really create a better aesthetic body than just doing cardio. So if you have time, for example, to work out 3 times per week, you can join one day in the week, you can join a cardio session, group session in the gym provides, and the other 2 days, you can also you can add some resistance training, or you can do 3 days in the week resistance training, and then just add, I don't know, cardio, a small cardio session in the treadmill and the step machine at the end of your session. It will depend on your schedule. It will depend how you feel also, but planning this in advance can really help you to really maintain it, and you already know what you want or you're looking for. Frequency and duration. Knowing how much you're going to be doing at the gym, how much exercise you're going to be doing, how frequent will be through the week will be a very good way for you to maintain it. My recommendation as a personal trainer, if you're a person that has a 9 to 5, you're busy, you're a mom, you have many things happening on your plate, try to work out at least 3 times per week. If you cannot work out 3 times per week, 2 times per week. And the duration of the workout sessions can be 45-30 minutes. It doesn't need to be 2 hours. You don't need to spend 2 hours at the gym to have an effective workout session. You can do it in 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And the way how you can do it in that frame of time is by you planning in advance what you're going to be doing at the gym. If you don't have access to gym, try to do it at home. There are a lot of content on YouTube and where you can find some easy workout sessions that you can buy some small dumbbells and you can start at home. The important thing here is that you really need to move your body. If you're not moving your body with frequency, you're not going to achieve your goal. So we need to really move our body, be active, try to walk more, increasing your daily steps. So determine how many times the frequency and the duration will be. And how I mentioned, you don't need to spend hours in the gym to have an effective workout session. Progression and adaptation. And our bodies in certain points really can adapt to the exercise. If we're doing the same exercise, if we're lifting the same weight for a certain period of time, our body doesn't feel challenged anymore and can adapt to that. So if that happened to you, that once you are, for example, you started squatting 20 kilos, let's put it like that, 20 kilos, and the first week you do it with challenge, it was challenging. The second week it was so, and in the third week you really did it very easily. Once you feel that the exercise is not challenging you enough, that's the moment for you to probably increase even the repetitions or increase the weight, to challenge yourself, to really tackle your body with, what is this? Challenging the muscle. That will help you to really build muscle tissue. It will help you to build strength. That's what we want. So if you're feeling that the exercise that you're doing now are not giving you any challenge, that you feel that you can do it very easily, probably it's time to change that called basically progression overload. Over the time, you need to really challenge your body more and more. Take into consideration recovery and sleeping. You really need to learn to rest. We have a very busy life, and we're taking also to try to incorporate this healthy lifestyle. We're trying to work out, we're trying to eat well, but in certain points can get a little bit overwhelming. And that when it gets like that, I think the best time is to sit down and relax and try to recover our body. Pushing our body into the mud every day is not going to give us any benefit at all. It really can damage our health, our body health, and our mental health. So always remember that you need time to rest. Your body needs time to rest. Don't push it too much. My recommendation when it comes to the workout sessions, if you, for example, you decided to work out 5 times in the week, try to at least in those 5 times in the week, have 2 days off. Depending how hard you work, can be 3 days off. I mean, it will depend how you structure your workout and what body parts you're going to be tackled during the training. But have 2 days off at least, or 3 days off. If you only can work 3 days off, try to those days that workout sessions are spread during the week and they're not back to back. If they're back to back, you can feel fatigued, you can feel tired. So try to spread it through the week. But really take into consideration the fact that you need to have a rest day to recover yourself, recover your muscles, and let your muscles really react to the workout, to the tension, and make them grow. So if you don't do that, you're more likely to get tired and then you're going to fail down to achieve your goal. Following the steps that I have mentioned in this video, the 6 steps that will help you create your own training program can really help you understand how you can start and really start taking action. And remember that fat loss or weight loss goals take time and dedication and patience and changing a lifestyle. Don't push yourself so much, because if you're pushing it too much, it's more likely that you're going to reduce the motivation and not continue. If you need any help, in the description down below, I have a link in where it will take you with several PDFs that I have created, and where they provide advice on how you can do things and give you an example how you can implement it. If you have any questions, you have any doubts, don't forget to follow on my social medias that is over here, and I will be glad and happy to answer your questions. I am here to help you, because you're not alone. I think that's all that I have to share with all of you. Thank you so much for your time and patience, and see you at the next video. Un beso, familia. Hasta pronto.